Yes. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Afula Nangacho, the head of communications at Morara Kebaso's team, the Inject Party. As we all are aware, we are here for a presser from Morara Kebaso's family to update Kenyans and the public on his current health situation after the unfortunate situation that happened yesterday at Bomas of Kenya, where he was seriously injured by the goons. And coming here, something has come up, and it's an unfortunate, sad turn of events. There has been a serious threat to the life of Morara Kebaso that has been doing round since yesterday. And it's an individual who has threatened Morara Kebaso to take him out. The video captures the strategy we'll use, and also the venue of where he's supposed to take him out, which is here at the party headquarters, and it's specific on the date, which is today. So based on the information we have about the threat, we take his life and the life of everybody else serious. It's been decided that he will not be able to give us the update on his situation for today until the issue is sorted out by the legal team and the security team involved. Thereafter, we will invite you guys, the members of the media. We'll invite you here when the family of Morara Kebaso is ready to issue a statement on his situation. Otherwise, we appreciate you guys for coming here on time. It was a very short notice of 1 hour, and over 20 media stations are here, online and mainstream media. We really appreciate the effort, but we'll invite you when he's ready in the near future. I can't confirm the date because everything has to be sorted out, and his life must also be taken care of, considering he had been attacked yesterday live on camera. So thank you for coming, and we appreciate you. Otherwise, see you soon. No questions
his health status
of him, but he's been receiving medication, but he was seriously injured. Thank you.